Let's take a moment, shall we? Picture yourself walking into a grocery store, shocked at the escalating prices of our daily foods. Yet, in this backdrop of rising food expenses, the innovative American spirit shines gloriously. In an unexpected turn of events, a significant portion of disposable income is finding its way back into food. However, folks are not merely bystanders to this change. In a renaissance of our origins, many are transforming their backyards into thriving gardens. Yes, you heard it right. Gardening has made a comeback. It's not just the simple joy of witnessing nature's bounty, but also a pragmatic answer to the harsh bite of inflation. Here's an interesting fact. The average garden can cut your overall grocery bill by 30%. For example, on average, a tomato plant can yield 10 to 30 pounds of tomatoes. Depending on the size of the tomatoes, this can be roughly 20 to 90 tomatoes from a single plant. When grown in a square-foot garden, each tomato plant can typically yield up to 20 pounds, depending on environmental factors. What does this mean? Simple. Families are cultivating food at home, ensuring a constant supply of wholesome meals while keeping the grocery expenditures at bay. This movement is not just about survival, but a testament to innovation, tenacity, and a renewed connection with the earth. So, as we continue to brave these tough times, remember, when life hands you lemons, perhaps it's time to plant a lemon tree. Keep your spirits up, your hands covered in earth, and witness as life flourishes around you. Don't forget, every seed sown today is a stride towards a greener, healthier, and more sustainable future. So let's toast to our growing gardens and soaring spirits. Until we meet again, keep growing and let those green thumbs work their magic on your wallet and purses. For additional information, tips, and resources on starting or maintaining a garden, feel free to visit us at drgreengeek.com.